If you're a fan of suspense, gripping mysteries, and jaw-dropping twists, you're in for a thrilling ride. Today we bring you the top 10 best South Indian suspense thriller movies available in Hindi. Before we dive in, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Number 10. Ghee 2020. This action-packed thriller follows a fearless police officer, Aditya, who faces off against a cunning serial killer known as Ghee. As the killer leaves behind a trail of victims, Aditya is drawn into a deadly game of cat and mouse, leading to an unexpected revelation. Number 9. John Luther 2022. John Luther, a dedicated crime branch officer, investigates mysterious disappearances in his town. As the case unfolds, he realizes the events are interconnected, leading to a chilling conspiracy. The gripping narrative and suspense for moments keep you on the edge of your seat until the very end. Number 8. Toby 2023. Toby, a mute but feared man, hides a violent past that haunts him. As he tries to break free from his dark history, unexpected events drag him back into a world of crime and revenge. This intense thriller is filled with action, suspense, and emotional depth. Number 7. Purusha Pratham 2023. A police team stumbles upon an unclaimed body, but just when they decide to dispose of it, a woman arrives, claiming it as her missing husband. As strange occurrences unfold, the officers find themselves entangled in a web of secrets, deception, and an eerie mystery. Number 6. Pathanathabal Nilayam 2023. A relentless killer strikes every 3 days, leaving the police with no clues or motives. As two detectives dive deeper into the case, they uncover terrifying truths that shake their understanding of the murders. This fast-paced thriller keeps you guessing till the very last moment. Number 5. Annashapin Kandatham 2024. A missing college girl is found dead, leading a police officer to a shocking case. As he investigates, he stumbles upon a decade-old mystery that changes everything. This gripping thriller combines suspense, action, and unexpected twists that will keep you hooked till the last scene. Number 4. Tadam 2019. A murder investigation takes a wild turn when police discover two identical suspects, both claiming innocence. As the case unfolds, hidden secrets and shocking twists emerge, making it impossible to guess the truth. This mind-bending thriller keeps you engaged with its unpredictable storyline. Number 3. Srikakulam Sherlock Holmes 2024. When a mysterious corpse washes up on the shore, the police struggle to solve the case due to a lack of evidence. Just as they prepare to close it, an eccentric detective steps in, determined to uncover the truth in this suspenseful yet humorous crime thriller. Number 2. Identity 2025. A young woman witnesses a brutal murder but loses her memory after a tragic accident. A forensic artist is brought in to reconstruct the killer's face based on her hazy recollections. As the investigation progresses, the truth unravels in a way no one could have predicted. Number 1. Rekha Chitram 2025. A suicide in the forest leads to the discovery of a 40-year-old murder mystery. As new murders surface, a suspended cop is reinstated to solve the case. With secrets buried deep in the past, he must uncover the truth before more innocent lives are lost. If you love suspense-packed thrillers, these movies should be on your must-watch list. Which one are you excited to see? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this